Hello guys, this is a mini vlog for TikTok. Please follow TikTok, my TikTok account. Search mini vlog. That is my username, but that is my nickname. But my username is meow. So many double WM. Okay na. So let's get sanitizer. So let's get unbox my order from my classmate. Blackpink. That is not my order. This one. I want this. So this is the order Valerie. Oh, this is Gwen. And so lazy. Oh, this is a Blackpink picture. This is a cat. Okay, let's keep it. This is Gwen. Gwen have a slaves. Kunin natin to guys. Then, to. Kuha tayo ulit ng ilang bini number dito sa bini. So, ang kunin natin na bini guys is ito lahat. Ito sila lahat. So, lagay natin siya sa slaves. Pack. Ito ang ganda. Sino para bias nyo dito? Si Joanna, si Stacy, si Mika, si Aya, or si Gwen? O si Colette, si Maloy, or si Sheena? Can you comment in the comment section? Subscribe and like the video you watch. So, kukunin natin si Gwen. Kasi ang bias ko kasi si Gwen. So, lagay natin siya sa bini. I love you, bini. Kasi gusto ko sing bini. Yung binalomo card. Pero gusto ko siya ilagay. Tapos na. And, kita-kita na po tayo sa soon next video ko. Please support me. Kasi may isa lang po ako mahirap ng K-pop stand dito sa YouTube. And bye. See you next time.